it so-so?
I feel like the cues are wrong.
I think there are bigger issues than the cues. So,
Not very good.
elaborate. Go ahead, elaborate. Okay. All right. So there's a more specific issue here. In class, maybe we can help them out. What happened? What had happened at the beginning versus second and third part? Right. So what had happened was you counted the piece off, or not counted the piece off, but you started the piece one tempo, and then by the second bar, it was a completely different tempo. All right? So, let's start the piece again. And I want you to think about, first of all, I want you to think about your setup. Okay? What's the dynamic at the beginning?
Okay.
Okay. So I want you to show me piano. With your initial setup. Don't show me piano. Class, is that piano? Would you think piano? Show me something different. Okay, show me something different. Okay, show me something different. Right. So here's my point. Okay, we have to find the ways to do that. Okay, I can't give you all the magical tools because my magical tools are the ones I've been working on for a long time, and I'm not giving them to anyone else. Okay, but piano, okay, looks a certain way. Okay, so how would you start a marimba piece that starts piano? How would you start? Okay, low, and how would you look? How would you want to project that?
Song, yes.
Okay, so you can take the low and into maybe close, as opposed to low because you want them to be able to see it, but close and just follow. Okay? Alright, so let's go back to the bigger issue. Alright, let's start from the beginning again. So make sure the tempo that you start in, which I thought was fine, the tempo you started was fine. Just make sure you stay that way, or stay in that tempo. Alright, for the top class. up, down. You know, let it move. As long as a conductor, as long as you move in time, see, watch. Okay? As long as you move in time, they're going to stay in time, same place. Oh, I'm not going to conduct a beat. Here we go. So I didn't conduct a pattern, right? But I showed time and I showed everything I wanted to show just by moving in time. Okay, so there's a difference in doing this and trying to show